How to make folder on the home screen transparent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on folder. So if you want to make folder on the home screen transparent, so click on this color icon. Now here, click on color. After click on color, you will see you will increase or decrease from here. After the process, click on done. You will see transparent folder is done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh on. So that's how you can make folders on the home screen transparent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.